S flag, right? These are all the flags, and also L flag, U flag. Yes, there are so many flags. These are all flags, or you can say options. Okay, options. We use all the options or flags. Okay, to modify user details. Sir, what is the purpose of U flag? The purpose of U flag is what? Just to unlock the user. That's all. Unlock the user. Sir, what is the use of L flag? L flag means what? Lock the user. Lock the user. Sir, what is user lock and what is user unlock? But how you do that? Okay, no problem. In which way you are going to lock the user and we are going to unlock the user? Simple, very simple. Suppose let's say Venkat something is Paparao, someone else and Venkatesh, someone else and something called yes Reddy something yes and Satish. Like that, there are so many developers and test engineers or DevOps engineers or some other admins also working inside a ABC Bank project. ABC Bank project. Yes, this is my team. Yes, which are working. One, two, three, four, five, six. Let's say assume that five people. Yes, okay. Now all these five members working inside ABC Bank project inside an organization. Right? Excellent. But now one of the guy, that means what? The Papa Rao wants to take a leave. That's it. What? 10 days leave. Okay. Papa Rao wants to take the leave 10 days. SLs or sick leave, whatever it is. 10 days due to some health issues or some other issues. Straight away, straight away, yes, straight away, yes, informed the manager, hey, manager, please accept my 10 days leave. That's all. And the same thing will be forward to, HR department. Same thing, but the manager must accept, right? Okay. Now, the thing is what? He sent a mail to the HR department and concerned manager, okay, saying that, boss, I'm something. So I have been working in this project since 2 years. Sorry, okay, since something called 2003 or 2004. Okay, but now I want to take the leave from day that is nothing but 2905, something called 2025 to some other something. He mentioned 10 days leave. So immediately, yes, the manager accepted and HR departments also accepted the leave sanction granted is okay, 10 days leave granted to Papa Rao user. Now, tomorrow onwards, the Papa Rao will not be okay available for this project for any task. Okay, simple like that. But he is going to some places or some other things. Yes, he's doing some other things, right? But as of now, Papa Rao is in outside, but Papa Rao is also accessing our servers, right? Yes, Papa Rao is also accessing our servers, but he knows everything. But he is having user ID and password also. Yes, yesterday he logged in our server and they did some work inside my server also. Access means what? Just username Papa Rao. Yes, user ID is user password 123. So like that, they were working inside this project like that, user ID and username. So first of all, the Papa Rao is in vacation. That means what? He is in the leave boss. That's all. But he is not anymore connected with our project right now because 10 days leave. Okay, okay. But during this leave time, that means so during this vacation time, can I provide an access to my server? No. Why, sir? Why? What happened? Because he's going somewhere and he's doing something, but is going to some other else, some other work, or he's attending some other things also. But how can I believe? That's all. Okay, that's why I want to log this user account immediately. I want to log the user account immediately. Log the account, log the user account, Papa Rao. That's all. So now immediately as a manager, just I'm sending a mail to concerned team. Hey, that means what a senior member of this team is from Linux admin, right? L3 support engineer or is having some other experience. Okay, saying that, hey boss, please log the Paparao user account immediately because is in the vacation right now, is no more connected with our project. That's why please log the user account immediately. Why, sir? What problem? Nothing. No, no answers, no questions. Just log the user account. That's all. Okay. Okay. As soon as we receive the this message from my manager, okay, just I'm logging to as a root user, okay, in server, and I'm trying to yes log the Papara user account. But how to do that? Yes, simple, very simple. To lock any user account, we use something called command user mod command boss. That's all. User mod is a command which is used to modify any user details. So by using user mod command with the help of L option, L means what lock. Lock is nothing but a flag or option. With the help of L option, I can lock the user account immediately so that my papa or user not able to log into the respective session. No, no more. Okay, that means what? How to do that? Yes, simple, very simple task. Yes, user mod. Okay, user mod. Afterwards, L. Afterwards, username. That's all. Okay, user mod hyphen L username. So this is syntax. Okay, right. User mod hyphen L papara. That's all. So this is a syntax and this is statement. If you execute this statement, the papara user account will be locked immediately. No more the papara not able to log into the session. Yes, no, it is not possible. That means what is saying that hey boss, access denied. The message is showing that access denied. Access denied means what? Yes, it is not possible to enter into session. That's all. So that means what? So after some time, yes, Papa Rao come back to office. Hey, good morning, manager. Hey, good morning. Yes, please provide me server access immediately because it was locked. Okay, it was already locked. That's why please provide a server access for me. That means what? Unlock my user account. That's all. Like that, the Papa Rao is sending a mail to concerned department POC. That POC will receive this request and they will unlock the user account. Which user? Papa Rao user account. But how does do that? Simple, very simple. How you do that? Simple is telling to sample called Linux admin. Same way. This is senior member of this project. Okay. This Linux admin simply is sitting in this home, their home, sitting in their home. Simple and open the laptop and straight away connecting to the server, Linux server, connecting to the Linux server, simple, and executing a command, executing a statement called, hey, what is the statement? Simple. This is unlock purpose was. Unlock means what? You are removing the lock. Remove the lock. That's all. So unlock purpose user mod hyphen u. Okay. Which user? Papa Rao. That's all. If I press enter button, the user account will be unlocked. That means what? We removed the lock. Afterwards, the Papa Rao can able to log into their respective session easily. This is what lock and unlock procedure inside our organization. That means what this is very, very secured boss. Just to lock the user, just to unlock the user account. Very easy, dead easy in Linux. But other platforms, very, very difficult task. Okay, right, sir. Simple, very simple. But locking and unlocking very easy. Yes, locking and unlocking very easy. So lock the user. Okay. unlock the user account or user, whatever it is, simple. Yes. So unlock the user mod hyphen u, just something called username. That's all. Username, right? So unlock the user account. So unlock the user account in the sense what? User mod hyphen L, hyphen L, yes, username. That's all. Okay. Now you execute the statements, then user account will be locked successfully. This is the way we need to lock the users, right, sir? Excellent. But sir, simple, very simple. Locking and unlocking is very simple, right? So my aim is that simple, very simple. Suppose a user is available. A user is available. That username is what? Something called Venkat. This is my username. Password is 123. Right? Simple, very simple. Now, just simple, he is logged into the respective mission session using using username and using their password 123. Username Venkat. Right, right. But now I would like to change the username. I would like to change the username. That means what? I want to add a surname to the Venkat so that I can able to identify. Otherwise, it is very much problem for me because there are so many Venkats are available inside my project. That's why I would like to add some more lines to the username. That means what? I would like to modify the username. But how to do that? How to modify a username? Okay, so afterwards they can log into that new username, simple new username. But to modify the username, just we use user mod command only. User mod. Okay, user mod. Okay, sir. Option is what, sir? Simple option. L. Oh, L means what? Simple. We can change the user login name. Let's say simple. User mod hyphen L. Okay, new username. Okay, new username and old username. Boss, my old username is Venkat only. That's all. But a new username, just provide that. Simple, very simple. So user mod, okay, user mod hyphen L. So a new username. You must provide a new username. Old username is Venkat. New username is something. Yes, something called Venkat. Yes means what? Some other surname or sir, can I give the full name? Yes, you can. You can give the full name so that as user will be identified very easily. Yes, Venkat. Okay, after modify these details, after modifying these details, the username will be changed. Sir, what about old name? Yes, you must provide the old name also. The old name is what? Venkat only. Yes. Okay. Venkat is old name. The new name is what? S Venkat. That's it. Okay, you can change the username also very easy. Yes, third one is to modify the username. Username, that's all. Modify the username. Now, user mod hyphen L. Okay, and the new hyphen L, new username and old username. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Right. This is a modification. Sir, modification is okay, no problem, sir. Okay. But now I want to change a user ID also. Is it possible to change the user ID for the user? Yes, simple. You can change the user ID also. You can change the User ID also. Yes, most of the time we identify the user by using user ID also. User ID. So username. Okay, user folder. Okay, user shell. User shell, simple user shell. So whenever we create any user, okay, by using user add command, user add something called Venkatesh, that's all. Now the Venkatesh user will get the UID, that means what user ID 1001, that's all. Username Venkatesh only, okay. Oh, user folder Venkatesh only. Oh, user shell, bash only, bash. That's all. Okay, bash environment, usual environment. So these are all the default details given by Linux, not by you. Oh, if you want to change the default details, you can use the user mod command. Now I would like to change the user add command, sorry, user ID, something called user ID. So 1001 is my username, sorry, user ID, but I would like to change that. But how do change that? User ID. To change the user ID, just we use a user mod command. Simple. User mod. Oh, to change the user ID, what is the flag name, sir? Simple, very simple. User mod hyphen u. U means what? User ID hyphen u 1066 or 1077, whatever it is. One day is 77. Okay, afterwards, Venkatesh. That's all. Okay, user mod hyphen u. U means what? This is a flag. By using this flag, we can modify the user ID also. User ID for Venkatesh. That's all. Username is Venkatesh. User ID is 1066. That's all. But old user ID is what? 1001. This is my old user ID. Once I execute this statement, user ID will be changed immediately. User mod hyphen u 1066 user. So like that, we can also change the user. That means what? Modify or change. Okay, modify or change user ID. Oh, modify or change user ID by using u flag. So user mod hyphen u. Okay. Oh, 1066. User mod hyphen u 1066. Okay. Afterwards, no, 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 not like that. Yes. User ID. Okay. We will give you format because it will be very, very easy for you. User ID. Okay. That means what? New user ID. New user ID. Okay. So new user ID and afterwards username, existing username. That's all. Existing username. The username must be existed. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Okay. Right. This is the way we need to modify the user ID also. This is fourth case. Right. So, sir, what is the fifth case? Fifth case in the sense what? Now everything is good. We can modify. Simple. But let's move on to the hands-on. Go to a Linux mission, but we don't have any Linux mission. That's why we are going to AWS environment and we are creating the server inside a AWS environment. This is a AWS home page, console page. So in this console page, okay, sir, how can I get this home page or console page? Simple. You must create an account with AWS. Okay. First of all, you must create an account with the AWS, right? After